Hey, so I want y'all to tell me, give me a heads up on, let me get this hood open, on how I just replaced this power steering pump here. My bad with the camera. Alright, there's a little gap there on this bolt. It didn't, here, it didn't go flush for some reason. But look at the hose. You see that? So now it's eating up the side of that, the belt, the V-belt. So the only thing I know to do, and I have this pulley on flush, as you can see. The tutorial video that I watched said to make sure it was flush, and I did. Now I gotta go borrow it from AutoZone again, and maybe try to let that out a little bit because it's slightly going in. You know, it's out of alignment. So, if you would give me any suggestions you got. I haven't messed with the wiring too much. I'll just get everything running. This is a project car. And those are 19s off of a 2019 Mustang. Surprisingly, they fit with adapters. But they don't scrub or anything. The back's kind of tight, though. All right, I'm looking forward to suggestions. Leave your suggestions below. Thanks.